Let's learn the leaf stitch. To create the leaf stitch, you can use a variety of different stitches. Let me show you how to do it. We'll start by making a straight stitch from the tip of the leaf, around 1 centimeter long. Now, from one side of this straight stitch, bring your needle up and then pull it back down towards the center of the leaf. Next, from the opposite side, bring the needle back up and then pull it down into the center line. Repeat this process alternately on both sides until you complete the entire leaf. Watch this process carefully, and you will understand how to do it. If your design has medium-sized leaves, this stitch works really well. I like using this stitch for leaves because it gives a very realistic look. You can even try using 2 different shades of thread for shading the leaves. So, this is how we do a simple leaf stitch. Now, there are several other stitches you can use for creating leaves like the fly stitch. If you want to fill a leaf with the fly stitch, you can watch the fly stitch video to learn how to do it. For really tiny leaves, the lazy daisy stitch is also perfect. When it comes to satin stitch, there are 2 ways to go about it. One way is to fill the leaf completely with straight stitches. The second way is to draw a centered line and work all the stitches around the center line. You can watch the satin stitch video to see how to create a satin stitch leaf. So this is how the leaves are stitched. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy embroidering!